Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the indicator bulb on a 2008 Renault Laguna Mark III hatchback. This should apply to the hatchback models made between 2007 and 2015. Could be similar for the Estate, Grand Tour and the Coupe too. Now, to open the boot or hatch on a Renault Laguna hatchback, you have to push the little button here within the Renault symbol. Lift that up out of your way, and behind here, behind this lens, is a piece of carpet with a little screw tab. So turn that, open it, and within there you're going to look for one of these, like a triangular piece of plastic, and that's going to release the whole lens unit to change the indicator bulb. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once it's undone, grab hold of the lens unit and pull it out towards you. It can't fall off because we've got the unit here to power the LEDs, but down here is your indicator bulb. So it tells you how to lock it, and it's also a W16W. So twist it, remove it, gently place your light unit down here, and take out your wedge bulb, W16W, grab your new one. I've got it here, place it back in, place it back into the holder, twist it to lock it, replace the unit, keeping an eye, these have to go back into the bodywork. This has to go on this piece here, and the boot rubber might also be in the way. Perfect. There might be a little bit of gap here, but once you screw it back in, it'll tighten the whole unit in. Okay, perfect, that's tight. Put the little carpet panel back in. So we hope you found that video useful, and that's now giving you the confidence to go ahead and change your own indicator bulb on your Renault Laguna. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.